Let's talk about fractions. What do you do when you only have one cookie and there's two people? You cut it in half. What is a fraction? A fraction is a number that expresses equal parts of a whole. This is what a fraction looks like. The top number is the numerator, and the bottom number is the denominator. The line in the middle is called the fraction bar. The numerator represents the part of the fraction, and the bottom number, the denominator, represents the whole part of the fraction. If we have 3 hearts and we color one of them, the fraction would read with a 3 on the bottom because there are 3 all together, and a 1 on top because we colored 1. If we colored 2, then the fraction would read 2/3 with a 2 on top and a 3 on the bottom. When creating fractions, we must remember that all parts must be equal. Here we have a square. These parts are equal. We can also have a circle divided into half and then into 1/4. Those parts are also equal. If we try to create a triangle with equal parts, you'll see that it does not work. Those parts are not the same. If we try a rectangle and we divide it into 4 pieces, those parts are equal.
Today we're going to do an activity involving M&Ms that will help us learn more about fractions. First, everyone will need one big handful of M&Ms. First, you're going to show me that 1/2 of the M&Ms are blue. The numerator tells us that there will be 1 blue M&M, and the denominator tells us that there are 2 M&Ms altogether. 1, 2. 1/2 of the M&Ms are blue. Next, you need to show me that 1/4 of the M&Ms are brown. The numerator tells us that there will be 1 brown M&M, and the denominator shows us that there will be 4 M&Ms altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1/4 of the M&Ms are brown.
Your turn. Pause the video and show me what 3/5 looks like using green. Good job. Let's move on. This is what a fraction looks like. The top number is the numerator, and the bottom number is the denominator. The line in the middle is called the fraction bar. The numerator represents the part of the fraction, and the bottom number, the denominator, represents the whole part of the fraction.